Okay, I've been noticing that a lot of people have been kind of leaving this little guy blank because I know it's wordy and whatever, but this has been on almost every single assignment. So hopefully now that you're here, hopefully this will help you out and you can go back and look at some of those here. So we have our polynomial. We know that one of the factors is x minus 3, so we're just going to put it in there and state its root. Its root is what? 3, comma 0. And then what we need to do is do our division. So I'm going to get out my handy dandy little piece of paper so that I can do that. So we have, let's see, x minus 3 and then all of this mess. So a lot of students have been doing really great with this, and hopefully you are as well, but I'll go ahead and take you through just in case you're not. You always start off with your first little term there. So we have our 2x cubed. So to make that happen, I would need to be 2x squared to make that happen. And then this is negative 6x squared. It needs to be negative 11, so I need 5 more negatives, which means I need a negative 5 and just a plain old x. I multiply these together, I get a 15x. I needed it to be a 12, so I'm going to need to subtract 3 of it to get that. And then I would need to be multiplying by 3 and positive 9. Good. If this doesn't work out perfectly and we told you that it's a root or a factor, then you did something incorrect, and hopefully then you can find your mistake. So this is my next term. That's my next factor there, but I'm going to need to factor that. So that would be negative 6. Again, it's these two guys multiplied to get the number on top, and negative 5, which would be, what, negative 6 and 1? So that would multiply to get that and combine to get that. Looks like it works. Now, you're not diamond and done because you have this number that's out in front here. So we rewrite this term. So again, those things are this guy rewritten. And then I take out what's common. So I have a 2 left, and I can take out a 3. I'm left with a 2x plus 1 as well. So 2x plus 1 is one factor, and this is my change, my other factor. Well, I already had that, so I'm going to just now square it. Do you see what I did there? I already had one of these, so instead of writing it again, I just square it. And then this one here is my other factor. So this isn't another root, it's the same root, just twice. That would be a bounce if I were to graph that. And then this one here I set equal to 0. So 2x plus 1 equals 0, 2x equals negative 1, and x is equal to negative 1/2. So negative 1/2, comma 0. So again, I know this is 0, so I set this equal to 0 and then solve for the x. So this one here, why are there only 2 spaces for roots, even though it's a degree of the 3? This one is 1, 2, and then 3 because this is a bounce. So you end up with 2 of those. And that'll do it. All right.